Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one in Eagle, your windows play a critical role in the beauty, comfort, and efficiency of your home. While DIY solutions may seem appealing, professional window installation offers a range of benefits that far outweigh the risks and hassle of going it alone. Let's explore the top reasons why hiring a professional for your window installation project in Eagle is a smart investment. Precision and proper fit. One of the most important aspects of a successful window installation is achieving a perfect fit. Professional installers take exact measurements to ensure each window aligns seamlessly with your home's structure. A poor fit can lead to air leaks, moisture intrusion, and even structural issues over time. When you choose professional window installation in Eagle, you're guaranteed accurate measurements, customized window solution, sealed, weathertight installations. This precision helps preserve the integrity of your walls and frames while improving the overall performance of your new windows. Improved energy efficiency. Homes in Eagle experience a wide range of weather conditions, from hot summers to chilly winters. Professionally installed windows are essential in maintaining indoor comfort and reducing your energy bills. How professionals improve efficiency. Use of insulated, energy-rated material. Proper sealing to eliminate draft. Correct alignment that prevents heat loss or gain. This attention to detail ensures your windows perform at peak efficiency, helping you save on heating and cooling costs all year long. Enhanced home security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry in any home. A skilled installer ensures that windows are not only snug and level, but also securely mounted and reinforced. Many professional installations also include advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and tempered glass for extra protection. You gain peace of mind knowing your windows can deter potential intruders, withstand force and harsh weather, keep your family and belongings safe. A professional installation isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about home security and safety. Increased property value. A well-installed set of modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly increase your home's resale value. Prospective buyers often look for homes that are move-in ready and cost-efficient, and professionally installed windows signal that your home is well maintained. Benefits to your home's value include enhanced curb appeal, better home inspection score, higher market value. In Eagle's competitive real estate market, this can give you a key edge. Time and cost saving. While DIY window installation may appear cheaper up front, it often leads to costly mistakes down the road, such as water damage, poor insulation, or the need for premature replacements. Professional window contractors in Eagle complete jobs efficiently and correctly the first time, and provide warranties on both labor and materials. Use the right tools and materials for long-term performance. When you hire a professional, you're not just paying for labor, you're investing in reliable, long-term savings. Access to quality materials and options. Professional installers have access to premium-grade windows that aren't typically available in big box stores. Whether you want vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad windows, a reputable Eagle Window Company can help you choose materials that suit your budget, style, and climate needs. In addition, they can provide custom sizing and finishes, Energy Star rated products, expert recommendations for your home. This ensures your windows are both beautiful and built to last. Final thoughts. Make the smart choice. Your windows are too important to leave to chance. With professional window installation in Eagle, you'll enjoy long-term benefits including energy savings, enhanced security, better aesthetics, and peace of mind. Choosing a local expert means your project is handled with care, precision, and expertise tailored to your specific home and climate. Whether you're replacing one window or upgrading your entire home, trust the pros to do it right the first time.